Today I'm going to make for you a nourish bowl. Now nourish bowl comes under different names: Buddha bowl, grain bowl. They're quite similar. They all have whole grains, vegetables, proteins, seasoning sauces, and a little extra something, some kind of sauce. So today I'm going to make a nourish bowl using these ingredients. So first of all, I've got some lettuce leaves. So these are the long little gem lettuce leaves, and I've also got some spinach leaves as well. So I'm going to alternate between the lettuce and the spinach leaves so you get that variation in the shades of green as you go around. So just do that here. So just tuck them in so they just go over the edge of the bowl like that. Just keep going until you're all the way around the bowl, just like that. And then another spinach and another lettuce till it's like that. Now when you put the lettuce in, it tends to kind of go down in a slope, so to make sure everything is kind of flat, put some more spinach leaves or lettuce leaves, whichever you have, into the middle, just like this. Do this. All right, now we're ready to put in the rest of the ingredients. So I've got some sweet baby peppers here, so I'm just going to place those here, one red and one orange. Then I've got some cherry tomatoes, which I'm just going to put over here. I love cherry tomatoes. I don't really like tomatoes, you know, the regular sized tomatoes, people just pick them up and eat them. I don't like that. But cherry tomatoes, I will do that, which doesn't make any sense really, but that's just the way I like them. Put those in. Then we're going to put in some purple coleslaw, which is basically coleslaw made using purple cabbage. So put that there, because we eat with our eyes as well as our mouths, so the colors always look very appetizing when you have all the different colors. And the saying goes, eat a rainbow, so why not? And I've got here some steamed buckwheat, so that's a really good healthy option to add in as well. And if you're new to eating buckwheat, you just can add a little bit, you don't have to add loads. I'll put that here. And we've got some cooked chickpeas as well, which I'm going to add in the middle, like that. And if you don't have chickpeas, you can always add another pea instead. So just tuck this down a little bit. You can always tweak it as you go along. And then our final ingredient to keep it Caribbean is I've got some slices of green banana that I've boiled and sprinkled with some smoked paprika. I just place over here, just like that. There you go. Just arrange our cherry tomatoes so we can see everything. And that's it. That's our grain bowl. So this is a really good way to encourage children to eat more vegetables, encourage yourselves as adults to eat more vegetables, and it's also really good for using up leftovers as well. So you would add a sauce of your choice to this. You can either have it on the side or just drizzle it over the top. And then the final thing I'm going to add is some toasted sesame seeds. Just a quick couple of pinches over the top like that. And this is healthy, easy to make, and really tasty too. And that's our nourish bowl.